Hey, welcome back to another tutorial where we do a Final Cut Pro trick in under 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you how to edit your audio so it sounds professional in your videos, and this is going to take less than 2 minutes. I'm using an external mic right now, so I will turn that off so that you can hear exactly what the setting sounds like. This is what my voice sounds like without any audio editing, and this is what my voice sounds like with simple audio editing in Final Cut Pro, and this is what it sounds like when I'm using a professional microphone. All you want to do is go into Final Cut Pro, go into the audio inspector on the upper right-hand corner. First, I check voice isolation, and I just leave it at the default setting of 50%. And then the second one I check is loudness. Now this one just kind of amplifies my voice. Then I check noise removal. Now that removes some of the background noise, that static sound. Remember, don't feel like you have to use all these settings at once. Experiment with which ones work with your voice and location. Then you're gonna find Voiceover Enhancement 2 in your audio effects, and then just drag and drop it over your footage, and then you can select if you want it to be punchy male, punchy female. I love to choose smooth female VO because I want my voice to sound smoother and less punchy. And then you can play with the equalization. I like to boost the treble because I don't like when my voice sounds like it's booming. And so that's just a personal preference. If you want to boost the bass in your voice, you can do that. Play around with the settings to fit you. I hope that was helpful. If it was, give this video a thumbs up. I have so many videos on tutorials in Final Cut Pro in under 2 minutes. I'll list the playlist below, so you should check those out. I make videos every 2 weeks, so you should subscribe, and I will see you guys back here in 2 weeks. Bye.